Hey guys, today let's learn how to add captions onto our Instagram Reels. So how do you basically add your own captions on your Instagram Reels? If you want to go ahead and do so, it's going to be pretty easy, guys, because for us to do this, all we need to do is to head on over onto the option wherein we could actually see our captions now. Now, first of all, we do need to basically search for this onto our Instagram first, but we do need to first create our own Instagram Reels. So head on over to your Instagram, guys, and I want you to basically log into your accounts that you wish to use. And I want to go ahead and log into this account right here. So let me do this real quick. And if you want to go ahead and create your own Instagram Reels with captions on it, let's actually just swipe from the left to right to access the option wherein we could actually create our own reels. And then of course I want you to click on this option wherein you could create your own reels. Okay, so once you click on that, the option that you should actually use on here is to just head on over and record a quick video for your own Instagram reel. So basically once you're recording this specific video, it's going to be pretty easy from here on, because from here you can just basically just talk and talk and talk, and basically once you are done talking and basically done recording your own Instagram reels, let's click on the stop icon, click on next, and basically from here we may now have the option for us to proceed with adding some text and adding some captions. If you want to go ahead and add some captions, guys, I'm going to go ahead back and I'm going to find for that option over here to add that specific caption. Now, of course, if you don't have a updated Instagram, you won't really see this option on your Instagram accounts. But basically, so go ahead first and update your Instagram account so that you may basically proceed with doing this. And basically, once you are done with basically creating your own reels and successfully updating your own Instagram accounts and basically your own Instagrams, all we need to do next is to head on over onto the option wherein we could actually add our own Instagram captions on our reels. So click on next and basically click on your stickers, and from here you should basically try to find for the option wherein you could actually now see the option to add some captions. I'm gonna basically try to find for that option over here, but since we have this option on Instagram and it doesn't really show us that option right from the bat, we also have the option to add some music and also a voiceover to this. Now, if you click on next, basically, once you try to see these advanced settings, you won't really have the option to show captions or stuff like that. When you click on advanced settings, as you see, we have the option now to show the captions. Now, this will basically regenerate or auto-generate some captions for us for our Instagram Reels. So I do need you to keep this checked. And basically, once that is done, once you click on share, you're gonna have an Instagram Reel with captions on it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.